Hey guys, I'm Ashit Sayo, first year CS department. Today we will be going to learn about what is Python programming language and its features, applications and history. And we are also going to learn how to install Python software on our Windows system. So firstly, Python is a high level general purpose programming language and it is a user friendly language and it is also perfect for beginners to start their coding journey. So the discovery of Python language was done in the early 1980s by Guido van Rossum. He named his programming language as Python from a TV show which is telecasted in BBC named Monty Python's Flying Circus. He wanted a unique name for his programming language, so he named his programming language as Python. Programming language is a successor of the ABC programming language. So as the years pass by, new versions and updates of Python have been introduced. So why Python? Generally, the syntax of the Python programming language is very simple when compared to other programming languages like Java, C and C++. And it is also very portable, like the code which we write in one system, it can be used in the other OS like Mac. Generally, if we write our code in Linux or Mac OS, we can run our code in Windows system. It is one of a major use of using Python programming language. And the essential language features. So dynamic typing is one of the great feature of the Python programming language. Basically in C and Java we need to initialize our variables according to their data types, but in Python it is not necessary. The interpreter treats the data type of the given variable according to the values mentioned, and it is Python programming language is also an object oriented programming language, and it supports classes, inheritance and polymorphism. So the applications of Python programming language is used in various platforms like in web development, also in game development and making real-time applications. So few examples of Python programming language used in web development are Django, which is a high-level framework used by Instagram, and here we also have Flask and Fast API, and data science with Python. Python also dominates data science. We have many number of libraries which can be used in Python programming language to simplify our code and make our work very easy. And we have also a few applications like scientific computing which supports our research and complex simulations which can be related to AI and machine learning in the upcoming future. So this is all about the history, features and applications of Python. Now let's see how to install Python software on our Windows system. So to install Python software on our computer, so let's go into our browser and search Python download. As we can see here, the first link, open it, and here it is mentioned that download the latest version for Windows. As I'm using Windows, I am downloading this one. Based upon your operating system, you can select other devices as well. So here it is around 27 MB. Here we can see that the Python software has been installed. Now click on open. Here select the upgrade now, and it asks some permissions. Click allow for all the permissions, and it takes a while to complete the setup. So as we can see here, the setup was successful. So click on the close option. As we can see here, the Python software has been installed on our Windows system. So in our next video, we will be writing our first Python program. I hope this video is useful, and please do like, share and subscribe.